Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a jack port for the SJ5000 Wi-Fi version in order to attach an external microphone. The SJ5000 is commonly used as a cheap action cam, but the built-in microphone doesn't have too much quality. People may want to use an external microphone and it's so easy to install a jack port. So let's go to disassembly the cam. First of all, you need to remove the battery, so keep the battery cover and extract it. The front cover doesn't have any bolt. It may be a little tricky, but you only need to make some force to remove it. The most scary part is to get the screen cover. It's glued, but it can be removed with a cutter blade. Use a constant force and try to don't break it. Behind the screen cover you found the LCD display and two bolts. Remove them. To disconnect the display, use your hands or any sharp tool. In the front of the camera, you have a piece that protects the main circuit board and uses 6 bolts. These bolts are the longest installed in this camera. To avoid any damage in the flat cable, keep the on-off circuit. It's glued like the LCD protection, but you can remove it without any problem. I always want to put the disassembled parts in the same order, so keep in mind that you have 2 short bolts of the LCD display, 6 long bolts of the board protection, 2 short bolts of the lens circuit, 3 short bolts of the battery case and 2 bolts to fix the printed circuit board. Now you can see the battery case with the 3 bolts, the Wi-Fi circuit and the antenna, and the lens circuit board. Remove the bolts from the battery case. Use any tool to remove the flat cable from the Wi-Fi circuit. Now you are very close to have all the camera disassembled. Remove the 2 bolts from the lens sensor. The last 2 bolts fixes the printed circuit board to the case. When you have full access to the microphone, you need to check the polarity. I used my tester to find the ground pin. It's the closest pin to the HDMI port. To solder the microphone may be a little difficult. Use any tool to make force at the same time that you melt the weld. I use an old cable from a little LiPo battery. It has 1 mm in diameter. This 2.5 to 3.5 jack port has 3 pins. If you only want an external microphone, you need only 2 pins, but in another video I will show you a modification to maintain the original microphone and have the option of use an external micro. Add some tint to the pins to make your welding process more easy. After welding, you can assemble the camera again, but you need to make a hole. I use my welder to melt the plastic case, but you can use a drill bit. You can obtain the position of the jack installing the CCD sensor and then make the hole. Use a drop of superglue to fix in position the jack and you can assemble the camera again. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave a comment. Thanks!